So the song I have called The Frog and the Mouse, I could sing a little bit of that for you. You have another version of that?
I do. Froggie Went, Courtin is what it's called.
Yeah. Will you sing it?
I will, yep. Froggie went a-courtin' and he did right, Froggie went a-courtin' and he did right, Froggie went a-courtin' and he did right, sword and a pistol by his side, Went on down to Miss Mousie's house, Went on down to Miss Mousie's house, Said, Miss Mousie, would you marry me way down yonder neath the hollow tree? Where shall the wedding supper be? Where shall the wedding supper be? Where shall the wedding supper be? Way down yonder neath the hollow tree. And that's the whole thing. It's short and sweet.
Well, you know, that's perfect because I can take up from there. Wait till you hear what happens wonderful. After they have the supper. So there's loads of different versions of this song. It's a very old song and there's so many versions and I kind of compiled some for this, but wait till we see. So they're at the supper. If you like and you catch on to that repeated line, you can join in with me. So they're at the supper and here's the guests arriving. I have to think now. The first one in was the honey bee, hi-ho, lickum-taddy, with his bagpipes on his knee, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy. By dad said the frog were in good cheer, hi-ho, lickum-taddy. Now all we want is dancers here, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy. In comes the butterfly, hi-ho, lickum-taddy. Danced until he broke his thigh, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy. In comes the neighbour's cat, hi-ho, lickum-taddy. He swallowed the mouse and ate the rat, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy. The honey bee ran up the wall, hi-ho, lickum-taddy. Says he, are you going to eat us all, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy. This put the frog in a terrible fright, hi-ho, lickum-taddy. He picked up his hat and he said good night, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy. But as the frog was crossing the brook, hi-ho, lickum-taddy, a lily white duck came and gobbled him up, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy. And that was the end of 1, 2, 3, hi-ho, lickum-taddy. The rat and the frog and the little mousie, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy, fal-de-deedlum tur-a-naddy.
Oh, that is so fun.
Yeah, as a children's song, some people, I think, purposely leave out all that, you know, violence and gobbling up and all the rest. But yeah, it does start out, it totally starts out as the wedding.
Oh, yes.
In the first number of verses. You know? And the other version of it is the one... Where did you get your version from?
It was one that one of my grandfathers, he wasn't a singer, but he loved music and he just really loved that song. And so he would sing that to his kids and my mom would sing his to us. And yeah, so that's his.
That is it. Yeah, exactly. Ah, brilliant. Lovely. The one I sang there is from PJ Hayes, who's the father of Martin Hayes, the fiddler I was telling you about earlier. So yeah, he wouldn't have been known as a singer, but again, that was captured. Martin remembers it as being a song that he sang to them as kids. So I mean, that's great that so many songs get passed on. Not by, you know, it's not professional singing or anything, it's just, entertaining the kids. Yeah,